So why can you sell a 3D printed part like this for more than you sell a 3D printed part like this? In this video, we're going to talk about why useful parts are more valuable than gifts type parts. Now, gifts are something that is really common on Etsy, and actually gifts can have really great margins. This sort of duck right here that might be going to a kid as a toy to just pull and drag around, you would probably make it for somewhere between $3 and $5, and then you could sell it for about $9 to $15 even for this type of a thing, depending on how you present and market it. It's a little bit different from something like this. This might be the handle to a toolbox or to a tool or some piece of industrial machinery. Why is this potentially sold for so much more? Because the cost of making this is only a couple of dollars, and then you can still sell it for $10 or $15. So while this one just costs more and takes a lot more in order to make it valuable, this one can be made very cheaply, very quickly, and with kind of draft settings, and then you're able to sell it for a whole lot more. But why is that? The reason is this solves pain. This creates enjoyment. We pay a lot for enjoyment, but pain is something we try to get rid of more often. Useful parts end up eliminating pain for the customer. So if somebody is going and shopping for a handle for a particular part, they need that handle right now, and they need it for that particular part. You are the solution to their pain in that moment, and they are ready to buy right that moment because there are no other options. This is particularly true for specific sort of niche tool items and solutions to specific sorts of problems that very few people have. Printing is awesome for this because you can create a solution that nobody else has available. You're able to get it produced, and then you don't even have to build a print farm to produce it. You can just upload the models to a thing like Teleport, and then when you get an order, as intermittent as they may be or not, you can have them printed and shipped straight to your customer for you. Whereas gifts, in order to make them good, you have to have all these additional components to them. You have to have packaging, you have to have certain design aesthetics, that kind of thing. These types of parts just end up being more expensive to produce, and you also still have to sell them at a certain level in order to make them affordable to people. Because you know, when you're moving into a recession, these are the first things to go out. Functional parts are completely recession proof. When people need parts and they need a solution to their problem, they will pay what they need to pay in order to get the thing that they need when they need the thing. This stuff is optional. This stuff is necessary. So when designing a product, you want to focus on functional parts as much as possible unless you really understand marketing and branding, because functional parts are easy to communicate and very, very necessary to the person shopping for them. So if you're looking for a product that has really good margins and will sell reliably over time, make sure that you're focusing on something like functional parts. Tools, widgets, gadgets, organizers. If you can find it inside of a shop, very likely it's functional, very likely people need it, and you can continue to find other solutions around in your own life. Have a great day, everybody.